A while back, Angie and I were at the University of Minnesota Arboretum, and we went in for a bite to eat, and every table had these cute little vases on it. And, not everything was flowering in them. They had, just different leaves. I remember seeing dill, black-eyed Susan, you name it. There was just everything in these little vases. It was so cool, and if you're a plant person, you kind of like to identify stuff. But here you go. This is something you can do to bring nature inside, enjoy it at your dinner table, where you're going to go ahead and just go out and clip anything and everything. Doesn't have to be in your yard. Maybe you're on a nature hike, but you can create a beautiful little bouquet, using almost everything. By the way, this is a custom-made lavalier cordless mic holder, but it doubles as a plant support. You can definitely use it for that as well. This is going to work with a crap. So like any flower bouquet, I think what we're looking at is this is... All right, we're going to finish one of these up. Angie's pre-filled them with water. And what we do, we get an arrangement of these different flowers, leaves, branches, what have you, all around the yard. So
this is one of my favorite. This is that false spirea. And later, as the season progresses, these little balls open up, and then by the end, it's just this fluffy flower.
there you go. Bring some nature inside. Enjoy all the plants that surround you all day long.